know you're not allowed up here skateboarding.
Pardon?
You're not allowed up here skateboarding. You're
No,
private property.
Is it?
Yes.
Oh, cool.
And it's a criminal offence. If I call Sussex Police up here, you're all up in front of a magistrate within 14 days.
Alright. Go on then.
Don't tempt me tonight.
Why are you
like
acting so
bloody
hostile?
Wilkie.
It's not like we're going around mugging old women. We're doing something constructive with our time.
No, you're still on private property and you're not allowed
So,
to do
it's
that.
better than going out and fucking beating up old women for their purses, isn't it? Like a lot of young people are doing today.
Yeah, but we're
doing
still
something
moving you
constructive. Just leave us alone.
Go away.
No. Okay, I'll get you.
Alright, okay. See you later. You should check that leg out.